Okay, ready. What am I saying? Bakers, get out those wooden spoons because this is Delicious Bake Club. I'm Warren Mendez and today it's all about the brownie, but not just any brownie. We're going to be taking the new delicious tiramisu brownie baking box to the next level because I'm going to be showing you how to make some of these beautiful chocolate covered coffee beans to sprinkle on the top for some crunch. Listen to this. You know the drill, follow the instructions at the back of the box. So that's a really impressive brownie to start with, but I'm going to show you how to really take it to the next level and create these beautiful, crunchy, chocolate-coated coffee beans. All we're going to do is take a decent amount of those beans straight into the dark chocolate, grab some of those beans. Okay, so if you wanted to make life a lot easier, you can buy chocolate-coated coffee beans. So we're going to get that into the fridge for about an hour, and then all those beans will have a beautiful chocolate coating, and then we can do some eating. Okay, so out of the fridge, these coffee beans have set beautifully. You can see that amazing coffee coated in beautiful chocolate. They're going to provide a brilliant topping. So what we're going to do now, we've got our rest of our cooled syrup, which we didn't have in the mascarpone. And I'm just going to drizzle that over. And then finally some of these coffee beans. Moment of truth. Even Nonna would be proud of this.